Hello, Lions and Leos. I'm really excited today to share my thoughts on the importance of sponsoring a Leo club and nurturing a Leo club. You may have a question why it is important to sponsor a Leo club. And if I go down my memory lane in the late 70s, or I'll say in 79, 80 and the early 80s, when I was a Leo myself, I was trying to figure out where are my fellow Leos placed today in the community. One of them, Saurabh Soparkar, who was the first Leo district president of Gujarat. You will be happy to know that he is one of the leading corporate lawyers in the state of Gujarat. He was 100% Leo. He is the founder of Leo movement in Gujarat. And he always says that the success he has earned today in his profession is because of the training, experience and the opportunity which he got as a Leo. If I look at the next district president who succeeded Soparkar was Utkarsh Shah. And Utkarsh today is one of the top 3 global business house, coal business house. He is the founder of Jito movement in India. He is the first Jito Apex president. And he also served as a president of Gujarat Chamber and Commerce. And today also he confirms and confesses that all this success goes to the Leo movement. The list does not end here, my dear friends. Rajesh Mehta, who again was a Leo district president, today is heading a global hospitality company in India. Mahendra Shah, who was again a Leo district president, is leading a medical chain of hospitals in Gujarat today. And you will be surprised that the owner of Vadilal ice cream, Rajesh Gandhi, was 100% Leo in those days. These are very few examples, my dear friend. I am sharing with you that how important it is to start a Leo club. The benefit of a Leo movement, we can see that we have been able to give outstanding community leaders in the society, whether it is business, whether it is profession, or whether it is community leaders. The list goes on and on. I am very happy that this subject has been included in our multiple convention. There is a time when we need reinforcement of our efforts in strengthening Leo movement. Our Leo activities has to be relevant in the current times. Early 80s were a different environment in the society. And today our youths need a different environment. So it's not only the importance of starting a Leo club, but to make it more attractive for the Leo members, more necessary for the community to have that kind of Leos who can provide that leadership is equally important, my dear friends. So if I come back again to my original question, the importance of sponsoring a Leo club is as important as it was ever before, my friends. Before we go to my original question, I would like to share with you the Z theory, which is prevalent in some of the European countries. What are the Lions leaders doing in Europe today? Number 1, they are involving the child school students either in a peace poster contest or the Lions Quest program. That is the first step where they attract our children. Those children who have excelled in this program of peace poster or Lions Quest are selected for the youth camps or youth exchange. So the brilliant and the outstanding students from peace poster and Lions Quest goes to the second step of youth exchange and youth camp program. They try to identify those youths who are promising, and they select some of them and start a Leo club. So a Leo member has already undergone 2 vital experiences of the Lions movement. And you can understand that a Leo who is at the third step of the Z theory will always be successful. And once this youth becomes active in a Leo club, his journey in Lionism is unending. And he will ultimately, obviously, take the next step, and a former Leo will certainly become a Lion. And that's how that theory is. Point number 1, involve a child and a youth in peace poster or Lions Quest program. Stage 2, send him and make him participate in a youth camp or a youth exchange program. Step number 3, invite him to become a Leo member. And step number 4, make him join a Lions platform. So you can understand, my dear fellow Lions and the Leos, how crucial the Leo movement is in a youth's life. So the question is, why should a Lions Club sponsor a Leo club? Very simple. Because Leo clubs provide a platform for an overall development of a youth. As simple as that. If I go to my own experience, I arrived that confidence, that skills of leadership, that skills of art of getting work done, that confidence in me, because I had a platform of Leo movement to interact with the senior line members, to interact with the school teachers, to interact with the fellow youths, to interact with my family members, convincing them that what I am doing is right. And that helped me in my overall growth as an individual, as a youth. And therefore, a Leo club is a platform which provides the youth an opportunity to develop himself. Youth are fresh minds with a lot of creativity and enthusiasm. What they need is a supporting hand, a hand which can help them unleash their power of action. And Leo Club is that platform which will provide them this opportunity. In whatever education system today's youth may be involved, but an hands-on experience as a Leo member will help him to understand planning, designing, organizing, and implementing a thought and achieve his desired result. Young people may have various thoughts, but they do not know how to implement it in action. But a Leo knows how to implement it. And that is one of the biggest reasons, my dear friends, that we need a Leo club. The activities of a Leo club are guided under a Lions Club. And with an experienced Lion members, it turns out to be a fun-filled learning ground for our youth. And to help them develop their overall physical, intellectual, and social development in a secure environment, our Leo clubs will provide that opportunity. And therefore, as I mentioned earlier, one of the most prime reason to start a sponsor a Leo club is for the overall development of the youth today in the community. Lions Club should provide this opportunity to the youth and sponsor. Now I will share with you the importance to start a Leo club where the Lion members can involve their children in their clubs. At times, we have found that our children are not interested in what we are doing in the Lions clubs. But if we get our own children or our grandchildren involved in a Leo club, they will better understand what their parents are doing, what their grandparents are doing. Once you get a Leo member from your family, your home will become, जैसा मैं कहता हूँ, पवित्र वातावरण, a temple of service. Everybody is involved with creativity, enthusiasm, fellowship, and serving the community. What better it can be to have your own family involved in the complete umbrella of our Lions Club International. If I recall my days, my uncle was a Lions Club president. He started a Leo club with 25 members who were the children of the existing Lions Club members. And these 25 invited their friends to make it a complete Leo club. This was an excellent mix of parents, guardians, and outside youths. Later on, those youths' parents also became Lions Club members because they knew how important and how vital role a Leo club has played in shaping the future and the confidence of their child. So, I'm sure that all the clubs cannot be of the family members, but some clubs and a Lions Club needs a Leo club where the children and the grandchildren are involved. This will not only be helpful to the youth, but it will also be helpful to the Lions clubs. Therefore, for a better integration of the family, it is important to sponsor a Leo club. साथियों, मैं आपसे ये अनुरोध करूंगा कि अगर हमारे बच्चे लियो क्लब सदस्य बनते हैं तो परिवार के अंदर एक बहुत अच्छा माहौल बन जाएगा। आपका भी उत्साह बढ़ेगा, बच्चों का भी उत्साह बढ़ेगा और हमें भी हमें कार्य करने में एक एक्स्ट्रा शक्ति, एक्स्ट्रा एनर्जी मिलेगी। The third important reason to sponsor a Leo club is very simple. We have experienced that a Leo club serves as a task force for our Lions clubs in their endeavors. Whether it is a club meetings, conventions, camps, projects, or any natural calamity, there cannot be a better team of volunteers than a Leo club. हमने देखा है कई बार कि हमारे लियो मेंबर्स अपने कैप्स पहन के, अपने जैकेट पहन के और एक एज अ टास्क फोर्स, एज एन एनर्जेटिक टीम, they bring that lot of energy not only to that projects or a meeting or a camp, but that energy is radiated in the Lion members. And जैसे हम कहते हैं कि ये उत्साह और टेंशन ये चेपी रोग है। एक आदमी को टेंशन में देख के दूसरा भी टेंशन में आ जाता है, एक आदमी को एनर्जी में देख के दूसरा आदमी भी एनर्जी में आ जाता है। एंड सिमिलरली दीज लियोज जनरेट अ लॉट ऑफ एंथुसियाज्म इन द लायन मेंबर्स। आज हमने कई बार देखा है, वी हैव सीन इन मेनी डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स दैट द वर्क which Lions members as a senior citizen or as a constraint of the time cannot do, but the Leos are always available. And that is why we have one of the important reasons to strengthen our Lions movement is to have a Leo club who will act as a task force for the Lions club. And I'm sure what I'm saying makes sense. You yourself would have experienced this in your local communities. क्यों है ना ऐसा? आपसे मैं रूबरू तो नहीं हो रहा, लेकिन आपकी आंखों बता रही है कि आपने ऐसा महसूस किया है. If I have to sum up, I can mention that Leos have a tremendous potential to serve as a catalyst to our Lions activities. Remember the word catalyst, and we need a catalyst in today's environment. The list of reasons to sponsor the Leo Club goes on, and I have one more reason to convince you that why a Lions Club should sponsor a Leo Club. Believe me, Leo Club sensitizes the youth towards the society and its practical ground issues. Youth, along with its club, performs activities in the community that helps them to develop a social behavior. And that behavior working with the different age group of people. This enhances their learning and develop a better social engagement with the community. साथियों, I am reminded of a powerful statement by Acharya Sri Tulsi. He said that, उन्होंने ये कहा था कि सुधरे व्यक्ति समाज व्यक्ति से राष्ट्र स्वयं सुधरेगा. हमें राष्ट्र को सुधारने की बात नहीं करनी है, उन्होंने कहा. एक एक व्यक्ति को सबसे पहले सुधरना होगा, और अगर वो व्यक्ति सुधर गया तो समाज अपने आप सुधर जाएगा, और सुधरे हुए समाज से राष्ट्र अपने आप आगे बढ़ेगा. एंड लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, टुडे वी आर फोकसिंग on that youth. We are focusing on that individual who is the future of the nation, who is the future of the humanity. So let us implant a seed in a youth today. Make him a Leo, and this Leo will strengthen the social fabric of the community and of our nation tomorrow. Finally, Leos are a future promising lions. Although all Leo members may not become Lion members, they have their family to set up, they have to join their businesses, they are undergoing their professions, so on and so forth. But however, if some of them decides to join the Lions Club, they will turn out to be a tremendous powerhouse for our association. We have experienced that. We have some good instances also, and a few examples of the Leos who have provided leadership at the international level. I don't know about the world arena, but certainly I can share a few names from our own country. Our past international director, Sunil Kumar, was a Leo in early 70s, and today he became a National Justice President. He is the President of the Travel Association of the country. He served as an international director. And all this, he says that because my father was a district governor, he made me a Leo, and this Leo movement helped me to grow myself. Sunil is today an outstanding leadership trainer in the country. He is one of the strong powerhouse of our Lions Club International Association. Past director Murugan also started his career as a Leo in Kerala, and today he is leading a major health chain in the state of Kerala. We saw his skills as a bulletin editor. We saw his outstanding leadership as an international director he provided. Like Narendra Bhandari from Pune, he started his career as a Leo, and today he has been appointed as the Global Action Team Constitutional Area Coordinator by Lions Clubs International. This is not the first year. Year after year, International is giving him assignments. And friends, your presenter today, myself, was a Leo in 1979. And this experience helped me to serve as international director in the year 2001-3 and demonstrate two powerful Islamic forums in Ahmedabad in 2004 and 2015. I'm sure some of you would have been present today. That the story goes on and on, my dear friends, that a former Leo, once he becomes a Lion member and chooses to go to the highest ladder, they become a strong powerhouse of our association. So finally, if I have to sum up the importance of sponsoring a Leo club provides an opportunity for an overall development of the youth from this platform. This is one of the biggest service to the community a Lions Club can do. Leo Club will provide an opportunity for an integration of Lionism in the family. The family environment will induce the culture of Lionism throbbing with fellowship and service. Third, Leo clubs can serve as a good task force for a Lions Club. They bring new thinking, creativity, enthusiasm to our activities. The fourth important reason to sponsor the Leo Club is that the Leo clubs strengthens the social fabric of our community. It allows a better social behavior and social engagement with the community. And finally, the Leo clubs are our future promising lions. A Leo turned lion is a catalyst and a powerhouse to our association. I'm sure by this time you are convinced that we should sponsor a Leo club. My experience says that sponsoring a Leo club is a first step. The second and an important step is nurturing a Leo club. अगर हमने एक लियो क्लब बना दी और उनको उनके भरोसे ही छोड़ दिया तो हो सकता है कि हमको डिजायर्ड रिजल्ट नहीं मिले दोस्तों. Therefore, it is important that we should nurture the Leo club the way we are nurturing our children. And from my experience, I can share some important things which a Lions Club should do. The first thing is to select a youth-friendly liaison officer who becomes a youth with the youths and a matured lion in the Lions Club. The liaison officer is one of the best bridge between a Leo club and a Lions Club. This liaison officer should have the skills to gain the trust of their fellow Leos. आज मुझे याद है कि मेरे लाइजन ऑफिसर थे डॉक्टर दिलीप शाह और हमारी एक लियो की कन्वेंशन के अंदर भारी हंगामा हो रहा था और लग रहा था कि अब ये हंगामा इतना हो गया कि ये कंट्रोल करना ही बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. और उस समय माइक के ऊपर हमारे लाइजन ऑफिसर डॉक्टर दिलीप शाह है और पता है उन्होंने क्या कहा. पहला ही स्टेटमेंट, अगर आप ये हंगामा करते ही नहीं थे, अगर आप ये हंगामा नहीं करते तो आप युवा हो ही नहीं. और जो ही ये सब उनके निकले तो सदन में से जोरदार तालियां हुई. He conquered the Leos and the youths with this single statement कि अगर आप ये हंगामा नहीं करते तो फिर आप युवा हो ही नहीं. We need this kind of a liaison officers. He will provide a correct nurture, my dear friends. एक अच्छे सिलेक्शन ऑफ अ लाइजन ऑफिसर के बाद the second step for a liaison officer is to mentor the Leo club, have a proper communication with him and involve with them fully. It's just like being a Roman in a Rome. So I'm sure that the next step a Lions Club will take after sponsoring a Leo club will be appointment of an excellent liaison officer. For nurturing a Leo club, I can share from my experience that if a Lions Club invites the president and secretary of the Leo club to their board and general meetings, their vision will expand. They will understand the decision-making process of a Lions Club. They will also understand how do the experienced seniors work, and at the same time, the Lions leaders will also understand the feelings and the spirit of a Leo club. I was always invited by my parent club as a Leo president. This helped me in participating in their fundraising programs. And because of that, they could convert my Leo club as a task force. A task force can materialize only if you have that chemistry built up with the Leo club. So inviting a Leo club president and secretary to your club's board and general meetings will help us in building this chemistry. Similarly, the Leos should be involved at the zonal meetings, regional meetings and district meetings. और मुझे याद है कि when I was a Leo club president, my deputy district governor, और उस समय उसको deputy district governor कहा जाता था, was like Dhiresh Shah. और उन्होंने मुझे काम दिया. He gave me one small work of a photograph exhibition of the service activities of the Lions clubs in the region to be displayed in the hall. Believe me, my friends, I worked for the whole night, putting the photographs on the charts, pasting them, decorating them, and exhibiting them in the gallery. What was the result? As a Leo, I understood what the Lions clubs are doing, different clubs, because till then, my vision was restricted to my parent club only. But that one single opportunity gave me an insight of what the other 15 clubs of the district are doing. और इससे बढ़कर ये फायदा हुआ कि जब हमारे नेताओं ने, when our leaders saw my commitment and dedication, that I was working till 5 in the morning, they thought that yes, here is a Leo who can be depended upon. और उसके बाद they started giving me more opportunities. They gave me more platforms, and that is the reason how, as a Leo, I got an opportunity to shape my future in Lionism. I think that is the job of a Lions club, to provide these kind of opportunities, nurture our Leo clubs. Even if they do the mistakes, you have to take them in the confidence, with the love and affection. You encourage them, motivate them, and I'm sure these Leos will always feel proud of their parent club. Not only the parent club, but they will feel that we are wedded, we are part of one of the best associations of international, and that is Lions Clubs International. As I said earlier, you should nurture the Leo club the way in which you nurture your sons and daughters. I hope each one of you now understands how important it is to nurture our Leo club. Friends, the story of the Leo Club is 60 years old. It first started in 1957 in Pennsylvania. And since then, Leos have grown into a dynamic force for good, actively providing their communities and the world with kindness and service. Fellow Lions, this is just a start. The good Leos what they can offer is endless. The success of Leo Club is a crucial part of the success of Lions Clubs International. Leos are the ones who will carry our great story in the future and improve upon it. Today, world over, we are having more than 7,200 Leo clubs with 120,000 members spread over 150 countries and roughly doing projects of 20,000. Is it enough? No. This is not good enough. We need more and more Lions Club because according to UNICEF, there are 1.8 billion young people in the world. Globally, over 200 million youth and children are not even schools. However, far too many don't get to realize their goals and dreams, or they are unable to contribute to their communities. We want to see a world where all the Lions, all the young people feel empowered. They are learning without fear and gaining the skills and knowledge of what they deserve. Ladies and gentlemen, we need investment. We need action. We need change. And we need it now. We need it now. So let us commit to sponsor a Leo Club now and today itself. As you have seen in the film, the qualities of a lion, and I hope you all will agree with me that our world needs more and more such lions. Do you agree with me? I'm sure you agree with me that our world needs more and more lions. And therefore, let us plant a seed today of a future lion by sponsoring a Leo Club. God bless you. But certainly, I would like to pay my gratitude and thanks to the Council Chairman, Rasmi Bagla of Multiple 322 for giving me this wonderful opportunity of participating in this convention through this seminar. I am always happy of my friend, past International Director A.P. Singh. It was his idea that he pushed me in participating in this seminar. A.P., you have an excellent quality of identifying a people and pushing him to deliver his best. Thank you, A.P., for giving me this platform to share my thoughts on the Leo movement. Finally, friends, my sincere thanks to each one of you for attending the seminar and look forward to greater opportunities in the days to come. Thank you.